Second Secretary of the Embassy of India, Jivan Kanpal, visitors and attendants, good morning. On behalf of the Philippine Rural Electric Cooperative Association, we call it PhilRECA, I would like to extend my gratitude to the organizer of this event for inviting us to share with you the achievements, plans, and programs of the PhilRECA and its 121 electric cooperatives nationwide. It is truly an honor to stand before you today at the Philippine Solar Power Expo, co-located with Philippine Construction and Ceramics, representing PhilRECA on behalf of the 121 electric cooperatives nationwide, serving more than 16 million households or member consumers across the archipelago. I extend our warmest greetings and enthusiastic support for this vital gathering. This expo shines powerful light on technology that is not just about innovation or sustainability. It's just about fundamental justice and progress. While many of us here in the cities that are here today, we take for granted the reliable electricity that we have. The stark reality persists. Millions of our Filipinos, Filipinos, particularly in our remote island communities and geographically isolated economically depressed areas, remains in the dark. They are the last mile, we call it. Extending the traditional power grid is prohibitively expensive, logistically daunting, or simply impractical. Hindi na po pwede yung ating poles and lines to energize these isolated communities. For over 50 years, the member electric cooperatives, or ECs we call it, in close collaboration with the National Electrification Administration and PhilRECA, have been at the forefront of the battle against darkness in the rural areas where privately owned distribution utilities or DUs dare not to set their foot. Ayaw po nila. Only the electric cooperatives have made it. With strong lines over the mountains, remote communities, and isolated islands. But the challenges of reaching these final scattered communities are immense. This is where renewable energy, especially solar power technologies, emerges not just an alternative, but as the transformative solution we have been waiting for. It is now designed for new technologies to come up. What are the several reasons why solar energy is uniquely suited to eliminate this last mile? First, breaking geographical barriers. Solar panels don't need hundreds of kilometers of poles and wires. They can be deployed right where they need. On remote islands, on the mountainside barangays, or a single household from the grid, far from the grid. Solar liberates us from the tyranny of distance. Second, empowering communities. Solar home system provide immediate basic power lighting, charging phones and powering radios, fundamental tools for safety, communication, education, and connection. Solar power microgrids can even energize entire community. We are doing this now. Enabling small businesses, community health centers can refrigerate their precious medicine and powering water pumps. Third, fueling economic hope. Reliable electricity is the bedrock of development. Solar power means children can study after dusk. Clinics can operate effectively, and entrepreneurs can start businesses. It reduces reliance on expensive, polluting diesel generators, freeing up household incomes and community resources. Solar isn't just light. It's an engine for economic revival in depressed areas. Next, building resilience. Vulnerable islands and coastal communities are often the first to feel the impact of climate change and extreme weather conditions. Distributed solar generation, often paired with battery storage, build resilience. Communities aren't left powerless when the storm damages the transmission system of miles away, or the islands that running out of diesel fuel. This is happening still. Solar empowers communities to take control of their own energy security. PELRECA, along with the 121 electric cooperatives, recognizes this immense potential. Our cooperatives are increasingly embracing solar energy technologies and other renewable energy sources like hydro, wind, biomass, and many others. Several electric cooperatives have already installed solar PV projects, integrating into the hybrid system. The solar power hybrid system are now getting popular in the off-grid areas, and exploring innovative financing and business models to make this solution affordable and sustainable for our most marginalized member consumer owners. By doing this, the electric cooperatives have transformed the sleepy communities into a fully lighted, vibrant neighborhood with 24/7 electric service. But the scale of the challenge demands more isolated efforts. It demands collected action. To our partners, the government, the Department of Energy, the National Electrification Administration, the Energy Regulatory Commission, we need continued and enhanced policy frameworks that are helpful and actively support off-grid and microgrid renewable deployment. Streamlined processes continuously provide universal charge for visionary electrification subsidies, considering energizing these small communities, tiny communities in off-grid islands are very expensive. For this, the off-grid consumers and enabling regulations are crucial. We need those enabling regulations to help us energize these small communities. The developers and technology providers here today keep on innovating, bring us a cost-effective, robust, and easy-to-maintain solutions designed specifically for harsh and remote environment. Mahirap pong pumunta doon. Kaya we need those very reliable technologies. Think beyond just the solar PV panel. Think integrated system, storage, and smart management. The financing institutions that are here today develop created financing mechanisms, concessional loans, grants, pay-as-you-go model that overcome the high upfront cost barrier for both the cooperatives and the poorest household in these tiny communities. To our electric cooperatives, let's continue to learn, adapt, embrace these new technologies. Let us evolve from the traditional concept of electrification to these new ways of providing the electric service to our member consumer owners. Our mission is universal electrification, and renewables are now central to achieving it. Training our personnel is key. This Philippine Solar Power Expo is more than a showcase. It is a crucible for collaboration. It's where the technology meets the need, where innovators meets implementers, and where commitments meets capability. PELRECA and the electric cooperatives are here, ready to work with you all. Let us harness the boundless energy of the Philippine sun together Let's build the future. No island or remote community is left in the darkness. No remote household is without power. And no Filipino community left behind because of where they live. Let us not allow the circumstances of geography to determine the quality of life of our fellow Filipinos in isolated islands. They too deserve the full benefits that reliable electricity can bring progress, opportunity, and dignity. Let this expo mark the acceleration of our journey to truly energize the last mile. The light of progress must shine for all of us. Thank you, and may this expo be a resounding success. Mabuhay ang renewable energy, mabuhay po tayong lahat.